Today on the 25th of February, in the morning, first the South District President along with the South District Committee members accompanied me to the South District office in Margao, wherein 20 ladies who are there from the South District have proposed my name, and we have given an application to Mr. Joe Dice, who is the District President of South Goa. And later now, the State Committee of Goa Pradesh Mahila Congress, we have just handed over application along with biodata. The application for the South ticket, that is to South Goa Parliamentary Constituency. आम्ही आताच गिरीश बाबाक आमचे अध्यक्षाक आमचे बायोडेटा आणि एप्लिकेशन दिले आसा आणि आम्ही वो आमचे एक हे आसा की जेन्ना आम्ही 33% खातीर डिमांड करतात, आखी इंडियात आम्ही डिमांड करतात 33% खंय तरी बायलांनी तिकेट दिवची म्हणून. सो गोंयांत 2 सीट असल्या कारणान आमी चिंतले की सावथात तरी आमी एक तिकेट मेळची म्हणून, आणि वो आमचो डिमांड आसा की सावथान एक महिला काँग्रेसीक तिकेट दिवचो, ते इक्वल रिप्रेझेंटेशन जातले म्हणून. आणि आम्ही अपेक्षा करता की आमचे स्टेट लिडर्स, आमचे national leaders will also be of the same. Then not to go far, Mahila Congress has always taken the issues of people, concerning people. It was not, we have represented the people and especially the women of Goa, and always been on the front foot to expose the corrupt and the U-turns made by the BJP.
प्रतिमान कोणी गेल्या फर्स्ट एप्लिकेशन आणि एक डिस्ट्रिक्ट आयल जाल्यार चेक करपाक जाय, दोन्ही डिस्ट्रिक्ट आयल जाल्यार चेक करपाक जाय. आमचे कडेन फर्स्ट एप्लिकेशन आणि जो आमचो एक्स MP फ्रांसीस सार्दिन हाणें फोन केल्लो, तुका तो घेवन येता.